Our story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, ventilated seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2018 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, mini spare tire, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable pedals, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, child safety locks. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.